It's an indestructible remote control helicopter that can handle 200 pounds of weight. Does it really hold up? I have the deal and the savings coming your way. And your savings are going to soar today. Great to be with you. I'm the deal guy, Matt Granite. I love tech. I love lifestyle items. I love saving you cash. And with the change of seasons and some warmer weather for many of us in different parts of the country, I wanted to visit one of the top helicopter remote control deals you will see. This goes basically up like a drone. This is the world's first and only unbreakable helicopter. The body can sustain up to 200 pounds of weight. We're going to see if that's really the case and how this soars. If you like drones, this may be a great supplement or for a hobbyist looking to really enjoy the outdoors this season. If you want to score this $160 deal for $39.99, there's a link located right under this video screen. It's there, it's waiting for you. Let's take this apart and show you how it works. The helicopter on its own comes with its own charger, which you just power up via a wall outlet. The remote control requires 6 AA batteries. The batteries are not included, but they are thoughtful enough with the extra propellers and all of the extra pieces to include a screwdriver, which is awesome. If you don't have a lot of tools around your house or you're just a tool like I am, this gets the back of the remote control off. Batteries go in. And these will last a long time, especially because you're using so many batteries in the remote. And then you just need to assemble the antenna, which just involves screwing it into the top. Let's power up the helicopter. You can see the LED lights flashing on it, which are great. This actually looks really awesome at night. You have a light control on the remote, which is great. And then of course, it's synced and ready to rock. So one thing that I want to point out before we actually take this for a spin is you've got 4 propellers. So this is actually working like a quadcopter. Keep in mind, drones are quadcopters as well. Obviously, this isn't a drone, but it does have the gyroscope here, which acts as a balancing system. So this gives you really smooth flight. Complete with LED lights and the full function remote control. So this can ascend and descend with a built-in gyro for stabilization. This is one of the best helicopters I have ever tested. This is not some mini remote control helicopter from the dollar store. This is the real deal. It is one of the best helicopter systems I have ever tested. Putting all my weight onto the helicopter. Look at this, one take. It's completely uncracked, not a crack. It's unscathed. This is actually indestructible. You get different styles to choose from. I'm telling you, I'm getting a couple for my nephews. And when my soon-to-be born daughter is flying, she'll be doing it with this sweet camo bad boy right over here. If you want to take advantage of this deal, I don't know how long it's going to be around. That's why I'm stocking up even before the birth of children, because it's that good of a price. Again, $39.99 down from $160. It's hours of fun. You don't just have the unbreakable elements, but it withstands charges and just any type of force applied to the body better than anything I've tested it against. Again, no assembly required, and this deal is located right under this video description box. Expand it, you will score the link. Now, if there are other items that you want me to test, I know I do a lot of tech, and we've got some laptop deals and some great gaming systems and ways to cut the cord coming up, but if there's items that I wouldn't have known about if it wasn't for the amazing subscribers of this channel, then I don't know to test them, so please leave me a comment. I love you guys for watching. If you're looking for more huge deals and savings, and to make sure you don't miss any big giveaways, there is a very easy way to get subscribed. Click on my head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications or leaving a comment, click there. And that last big deal that you might have missed, it's over here.